What is up, guys? Your boy O.B.S. We're back at it again with one more episode, guys. As you can see on the title, guys, this is nothing exciting. So we do have our daily vehicle, which is a Ford Expedition, guys, that's been giving us trouble for the past 1.5 weeks with the battery. Today we're gonna go ahead and address the issue because we just ain't have it anymore. We're gonna make time. It is 11:39 p.m., guys. We just jumped in here to the shop. We do open at 11, guys. Sometimes 1, sometimes 12, 2. Anyways, nobody heard that. But yeah, guys, go ahead and follow me today, guys. Go ahead and take care of that issue. Mi gente bonita, como pueden ver el título, hoy no es algo emocionante. Simplemente vamos a arreglar algo que se tiene que componer en la camioneta que manejamos a diario. Y pues durante el proceso quiero que ustedes me acompañen el día de hoy para traerles algo de contenido y simplemente me acompañen. Raza, si les han gustado los últimos videos que hemos estado subiendo, dejen un comentario abajo. Todo es agradecido. Guys, if you've been liking the videos we've been dropping lately, drop a comment down below, guys. All feedback is accepted. You know, we'd like to hear from you guys and what do you guys want to see? What do you guys want to see for 2026? And hopefully we start off this year with a bang. But in the meantime, too much talking, guys. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. Let's go. All right, guys, go ahead and head out here to the shop. We got some work in. As you guys do know, what we do here at our shop, we work on lights, audio, window tint, you know, all the accessories on this truck. So now we got this Dodge Durango in. About to knock out the fog lights on this one. We just did the Dodge Charger. I'll post some pictures here. Come look at the Charger. Ding, ding. And yeah, guys, so if you guys are ever in town, Corpus Christi, Texas, and you need window tint, guys, radio installs, sound system, lights, underglow, rock lights, whatever, guys, that you need done on your truck, even if it's anything else that has to do with electricity that you have to wire up, we can do it, guys. If it's a boat, ATV, side-by-side, trucks, big rigs, trailers, everything, guys, we'll set it up. We got it done right. You already know. Truck Zone. I'll leave you guys my number here, guys. This is a little promotion I'm gonna do since I never promote my actual shop here on YouTube. That's what we're gonna get started on now while we get the Expedition back because they took it, and we'll change out the battery on that one. Mientras vamos a empinarnos esa Dodge ahorita de voladita que quede mamalona y regresamos. All right, guys, so gotta start bolting here. This side first. All right, guys, so we removed the bulb. This truck takes an H11 bulb, factory. Plug and play, guys. Plug and play. See, that's it right there. All right, guys, let's see if it turns on, and now we got to flip the connection now. I guess a lot of times you're gonna plug it in, it's not gonna turn on right away. So that means you gotta turn the connector the other way around. There you go, guys. So that thing kick on instantly. There we go. So now the fog light over here matches the headlight. As you can see, that's the regular yellow bulb. That's the LED white one right there. Super clean. That gives the truck a whole new different look, guys. Let's go ahead and repeat the process on the same side, guys. So I got to turn the steering wheel to the other way to have more clearance. And I'll show you guys once I'm done, all right? And bam, guys, there you go. There you have it. LEDs on the fog lights, on the headlights. What I see matching with the headlights is Dodge Durango. Let's go ahead and get started on the next truck, guys. We got an F-150 coming in. Alright guys, so on this one, like I mentioned, we worked on it about 3 years ago at our old shop. The fog lights finally gave out, so we're gonna go ahead and replace those real quick. Stay along for this install, guys, and then we're moving on to the battery because the truck is back, guys, so stay tuned. Nos vamos ahorita en unos minutos. Pues ahí quedó la Ford con sus fog lights R8 mamalonas. Ok, ahora sí, mi ayudante, my little helper. Ahora sí, raza, vamos a agarrar la Expedition para acá, para poner la pila, quitársela, ir a comprar la nueva y pues, venir a ponérsela a ver si ya se le quitan los problemitos que trae. Okay, guys, so this is the truck that we need to replace the battery on. Esta es la troca que tenemos que cambiar la batería. Como pueden ver, es una Everstart. Esa que se me hace que es de marca de Walmart, ¿no? 4-year warranty. Se compró en el 2021, ¿no? Ya mamó. Vamos a quitar la pila voladita, raza, y a cambiarla. Si no me equivoco, debe ser una medida 8 o 10. A veces son 10, a veces son 8. Ahí está. 10 it is. Lo bueno es que no trae tanta mamada como las diesels, atravesada. Así de fácil, raza, la vamos a quitar. Se me hace que las trae como para que no se mueva. Vamos a dejarlas ahí por si acaso ahorita que traigamos la otra pila no se quiere quedar fija. Aquí lleva algo, pero no lo veo. Ok, raza, vámonos. A ver si puedo con una mano. Está media pesada la hija de su motherfucker. Vamos a agarrarla con la derecha. Su puta madre, está bien pesada la bastarda. Ahora sí, vámonos para el pinche O'Reilly's. Pinche clima loco, raza. Ayer estaba lloviendo, el domingo hacía frío con lluvia. Ahorita está el solazo todo lo que da, como cuando vas a ir a meterte a una alberca o a la playa o algo. Por eso se enferma uno porque pinche cambio de clima no vale más. Bueno, raza, vámonos para los O'Reilly's. Let's go get this battery, guys. See how much it costs, because that thing is big. A ver cuánto nos sale el chistecito, porque sí está mirada grande esa pila. Literally, guys, O'Reilly's is like around the corner from our shop. Super cool location we got. O'Reilly's en el AutoZone. De voladita, si no hay en un lado, hay en el otro. Y a veces toca la suerte que ya saben que ni uno ni otro. Tienes que ir al más lejos. A ver si no nos pega este güey. O le pegamos porque nosotros fuimos aborazados. Llegamos aquí, to the back, VIP entrance. Ya, pues ya no jala. Estamos, guys, in the back. Back of O'Reilly's. Alright guys, got the battery. Oh shit, I wonder what's up there. A ver, ya me envergué aquí. Let's take it. We're going on a boat. Vámonos. Let's see. Guys, sometimes you gotta go that extra mile. You know? Just for my peace of mind, guys. No está tan sucio. Alright, let's pop this baby back on. We did have these as little supports.
My sister has one of these, but her headlight went out, but she has to change out the whole headlight.
If it's LED like that, yeah.
Yeah, it's like this. I was like, for a second, I thought, I wonder if she brought her. But
yeah, they're expensive too.
Yeah.
I looked them up for this one because on this one, this strip looks dimmer than that side, and it kind of bothers me. But then I saw the price, and I remember how I think it's a case until it goes out.
Yeah.
Like $2,000.
Yep. I think the cheapest she's got in price right now is like $1,600 for, but that's probably around the same.
Yeah, but this one started having trouble with the battery. It started turning off on us, and I don't know if it's out. Hopefully it's nothing, because we hit a deer.
Okay.
That's how the bumper's like that. And after that, little things started kind of like
from there, yeah,
like sensors and shit. Like, you know. So hopefully it's nothing bad.
Yeah.
Bueno, raza, pues la battery ya quedó puesta. Guys, the battery is installed. Let's go ahead and see. Crank this mug up. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver. Alright, got power. Alright, guys, seems like everything is good. You got a check engine light. That was not there. Okay. Fog lights are on. Seems like all the settings stayed the same. Oh no, the AC went back to 72. Alright guys, so I guess we gotta drive it a couple of days or a couple hours and see if it stops doing all the sensors acting up and stuff. And not, it's gonna be something regarding that deer we hit on the way to Houston the other day. Como pueden ver, tengan cuidado, raza. I hit a freaking deer on my way to Houston at 4 in the morning, trying to catch a plane. And those sensors are just hanging, so gotta wait for that part to come in too. Fix that, pero luckily it was just that, guys. It didn't do any damage anywhere else. Bumper's intact. So vamos a manejarla un rato, a ver qué tal. Say hi. Y pues sí, raza. Ahorita vamos a ir a dejar unos dulces con el compa Eli. Otro local que tenemos vendiendo nuestros dulces de O.B.S. Cartel. Vamos a ir a dejárselos y a rellenarle ahí el stock. Pues aquí venimos, guys. So far, so good. I've driven about 10 miles down the road. And no sensors have backed it up. Vamos bien. Nomás que nos tocó la mera hora del trafiquito. Valiendo queque. Pues llegamos aquí al barber shop del camarada, Barber Lounge.
¿Qué tienes?
I got the candies, bro. I got the goodies. You know? Right on time. And I didn't see his car. I was like,
I was about to leave too.
got him on time. Alright guys, so let's stock this up. These are top hitters, guys. Top hitters right here. These are Cotton Candy Gushers A1. No, I'm talking about those. Oh, okay. Está bien, leave it like that. I'll just put them in here.
Sure.
No, pero como dejé aquella acá y dije, wait, there's supposed to be another one up here. No lo vi. No está bien. Pues ya qué, güey. Ya qué, güey. Ya. Sí, ya. No,
I'm making a dollar piece over there.
Huh? You what?
Shortstop and dollar piece.
No, está bien. I don't need it. I can put it right there. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where do you put your candy?
I'll figure it out.
¿Ya queda?
We don't get that many kids.
Ya me dijiste, güey, chica, güey. Chiche, güey. Ah, raza. Ya voy.
You do the hard part. Come over.
Yeah, come over here and I got some chicken, yeah. Hey. So it is stocked up. Alright guys, pues ya llegamos al final del video. Hope you guys liked this small vlog of our daily life, guys. This is what goes on pretty much every other day, guys. Sometimes we have wheels, audio installs. That might change a little bit. Today was easy. Puros LEDs, easy money, my favorite. And stocked up the candy store. Stocked up the shop too with more new candy, guys. Make sure you drop by. Check out our candy, guys. It's also on the website on obscartel.com. You can order. The candy is made fresh, guys. When you order on the website, guys, straight sent to you. Saludos, raza. Muchas gracias. Ahí estamos. Les agradezco por ver el video. Espero les haya gustado. Y ya les dije, raza, comenten abajo qué es lo que quieren ver este año que viene. Guys, comment down below. What do you want to see this following year, guys? I want your feedback. All right. Like and subscribe, guys. Lo vemos en la próxima. Saludos. Puro O.B.S. Cartel. Ahí estamos. A la vuelta.